Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Acronis Cyber Backup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the Acronis Cyber Backup installation file downloaded on your device. Locate the downloaded installer package in your file browser. Double-click on the installer file to initiate the installation process. Once prompted by the user account control window, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Choose your preferred installation language and click OK to continue. Read through the license agreement, and if you agree to the terms, select the button to accept and continue. Next, you'll see options for installation type. Choose between an express installation or custom installation. For most users, an express installation is recommended for ease. If you select custom installation, choose your installation folder and the components you wish to install. After making your selection, click Install to begin the setup process. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take several minutes depending on your system specifications. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to close the installer. Now, launch the Acronis Cyber Backup application. You'll be greeted by the welcome screen, which prompts you to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Acronis account or sign in if you already have one. After signing in, you'll enter the main dashboard of Acronis Cyber Backup. From here, you can begin to configure your backup settings. Select the appropriate device or data to backup by clicking on the Backup tab. Choose the type of backup you wish to perform, full, incremental, or differential. Set your backup schedule based on your preferences for frequency and timing. Choose your storage location, which can be local, cloud, or external drives. Review your settings thoroughly to ensure they meet your requirements. Finally, click the Backup Now button to initiate the backup process. Monitor the progress in the dashboard, and once completed, receive confirmation of a successful backup. Congratulations, you have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.